We have a snow day today. Today's Monday. What's today's date?
The 16th.
December 16th. And we have a snow day. It's the first time we took the babies out in the snow. Say hi, Troy. Do you like the snow?
This year.
This year. We did it last year. Do you like it? Are you freezing? What do you think? Okay, let's go see what Maggie thinks. Oh, we got a leaf pile over here.
Oh, honey, can you not see?
I'm not wearing the proper shoes for this day, but that's okay. Hey, Maggie, what do you think of the snow, honey? Maggie, what do you think of the snow? Do you like it? Do you like it? Oh, okay. It's really coming down, isn't it? What do you think, dear?
I think it's beautiful.
It's freezing cold, isn't it? I'm gonna clean out the refrigerator because Robbie and Charlie were supposed to do this like 2 weeks ago, I think, and they never did. They never did it right. So I'm gonna teach them how to do it.
You want me to use like a big cup?
No.
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no.
Do you see the refrigerator?
Yes.
That is what a clean refrigerator should look like. Got it?
Yeah.
Does it look good?
About there.
We'll clean it off.
What do I use?
The washcloth.